Good morning. So today's rant is about my mother, but it's a positive rant. And really, what I want to talk about is technology and the elderly. So with this whole pandemic, my mom lives in a building where there's a lot of seniors. It's not an assisted living. It's an older crowd, and she has lymphoma, so she's really petrified to leave the house or go anywhere. She's been here a few times. We social distance. We did a barbecue, but she is just stuck in that house. And she's been trying to learn social media and try to learn how to get online and check email and all these things so she can feel connected. And I got to tell you, it is frustrating as hell trying to teach her. I find myself getting angry with her, frustrated with her, upset with her because she's just not getting it. And listen, I'm a coach. I'm all about non-judgment and thinking things through. But we're human, and even I sometimes get frustrated. I'm probably better than a lot of other people at it, but I still get frustrated too. And I just want to say, be patient with your parents if you're lucky enough to have them. My father passed away 10 years ago, and there's not a day that goes by that I don't miss him. And my mother, as much as she can drive me nuts, she's a great mother. She's done everything for me. She's raised me. She's always been there for me. And with all the quirks and all the little, arguments we get in and the things that I guess she does that annoys me, at the end of the day, she is my mom. And she's been great. And she's never let me down. And she's always got my back. And because of that, I'm posting this to let everybody know to take the time to appreciate your parents. And just know that whatever struggles they're having, especially when it comes to technology, they're not used to this. This is not part of their world. At least for me, the internet wasn't even around when I was born. The internet came around when I started dating my wife, over 25 years ago. So it's really, really hard to watch elderly people trying to learn how to use email and shop online and do these things, and they struggle. I mean, my mom the other day didn't understand why her email password didn't work on like 10 other sites, and I had to explain to her you have to register for the site first before they'll recognize your email. But she really didn't know, and the things I was getting upset about were things that she truly, truly, truly didn't understand. And I've taken the time to help her and understand it, and she's actually gotten better at it. And I know she's not going to be perfect, and it's never going to be an ideal situation that she's just boom going to be able to go online and do what she needs to do. But I have so much respect for her for trying, and so many. I think so many older people they don't want to try. They're just afraid to try. So the fact that she's putting herself out there and trying and doing what she can to better herself and connect with the rest of the world, I think it's great. So Ma, if you're out there listening to this, I have nothing but respect for you. You're an amazing woman, and I'm sorry if I got crazy with you with all this technology, but I do understand now what you're going through and how hard it is, and I will do whatever I can to make it easier for you and teach you. And for those of you out there that are in the same boat as I am, be patient and help the ones you love understand technology and how to deal with all this stuff, because it's not easy, and it's especially not easy for them. They're not used to it. So anyway, that's my rant. Have an awesome day.